There, this is Mr. Sand again, and right now we're going to go through another question right here, which is what is a measurement in centimeters and in millimeters? This has to do with uncertainty in your measurement. And remember, every single measurement, no matter what it is, it always has some uncertainty attached to it. So we're going to talk about how to report that uncertainty right now. Let's say you've got an object that's just this long. And it goes, I should make this a little bit clearer. It goes only to right there, to this blue line. And you're measuring it with this ruler here. What is that measurement? Well, it's in between 3 centimeters and 4 centimeters. It's somewhere in between there. So we have to guess. We have to say at least it's achieved 3. But now we estimate the last digit. We say, looking at that, it's a little past 3.5. I would say 3.6 centimeters. And we give ourselves a large margin of error here. We say, okay, it's 3.6, and that last digit, it's plus or minus one of those last digits when we're reading this measurement here. No matter what measurement it is, it's always plus or minus one of those last digits. So this could be 3.7, it could be 3.5. We're giving ourselves that range. So on the ruler, it could be from 3.5, which is right about there, to 3.7, which is right about there, which is a fairly good degree of uncertainty. But it gives us a way of being honest in our reporting of our measurements. So that right there is how you'd report your measurement when you're measuring anything. You go to that last digit that you can estimate that's in between these tick marks here, and you say plus or minus one of those uncertain digits. So this is 1 above or 1 below. So what this really means is this measurement could be anywhere from 3.5 centimeters to 3.7 centimeters. And that's a really good, honest answer. Make sure you do that, and we'll talk about now the millimeter side of things. So for the millimeters, I'll use blueberry. Okay, so here you see that these are 10 millimeter increments right here, and each one of these little ticks right here, it looks like there's 10 of them for every one of these, so there'd be 1 millimeter for every one of them. So this has gone, that's 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. It's in between 35 and 36. 35 and 36 millimeters. So I need to estimate that last digit. So I'm going to say it's 35 point. Now what would you say? It's really close to 36. I have to say 35.9 maybe? But here's where my uncertainty is great, because I can't really make out if that's 39 or 35.8, 35.9 or 36. It seems like it's not quite 36 yet, so 35.9 seems pretty safe, but to cover myself, I use this as my uncertainty. I go to that same place, and I say it's plus or minus that, one of those digits in that place. And this is going to be millimeters. So my final reported measurement is that. Now, if I were to, yes, that's it. So you're now going to have a chance to kind of go through some of these problems and figure out uncertainty, and always report your uncertainty in your measurements. We'll talk about how to manipulate the uncertainty in your lab reports later on, but for now, that's all you need to know, is just to report the uncertainty in your measurements. So good luck, and I'll talk to you later.